Now let's review the facts of this case. If you are a law student, lawyer, or legal professional, click below for the complete case video, including the review of the parties, procedural posture and history, case issue, court holding and rulings, policy established, case key terms, and much more. Alvaro Acosta, the defendant, was spotted late at night, sitting in a stolen Nissan Pulsar by officers Salceda and Francis. When the officers attempted to approach, Acosta fled, initiating a high-speed and dangerous car chase. He drove recklessly through red lights, swerved across multiple lanes, and posed a threat to other drivers on the road. The pursuit escalated quickly, requiring law enforcement to track him both from the ground and the air. As Acosta continued his flight, 2 police helicopters, one from Costa Mesa and another from Newport Beach, were deployed to monitor the chase from above. While coordinating their efforts in the sky, the Costa Mesa helicopter made a sharp maneuver and collided with the Newport Beach aircraft. The crash resulted in the tragic deaths of 3 police officers. Eyewitnesses on the ground saw the collision and were shocked by the outcome. The incident drew widespread attention due to the involvement of multiple agencies and its fatal consequences. In court, expert witnesses testified that the Costa Mesa pilot had violated FAA regulations. However, prosecutors argued that Acosta's actions directly created the dangerous situation. Ultimately, Acosta was convicted of second-degree murder for causing the fatal helicopter crash. To view the entire video explanation and the thousands of additional case and topic videos, click below and subscribe for optimal law school performance.